Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your Dogecoin from one exchange to another. Today, I'm going to guide you through the straightforward process of withdrawing Dogecoin from Kucoin to Coinbase. This is super important for managing your assets securely, especially with the evolving crypto landscape. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Coinbase. Double-check that your accounts are verified and secure. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your funds. Once that's sorted, log into your Kucoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section. This is where you'll manage your cryptocurrencies. Next, find your Dogecoin balance and click on the Withdraw button next to it. You'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, so choose Dogecoin from the drop-down menu. Now, here's a crucial step. Enter the wallet address from your Coinbase account. To get this, log into Coinbase, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the address. Paste it carefully into the Kucoin withdrawal form. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so no typos. After that, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so aim to withdraw an amount that covers your needs plus fees. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm, and complete any additional security verifications, like entering a code from your authenticator app. Once submitted, the withdrawal will process on the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. Keep an eye on your Kucoin transaction history for updates. Finally, hop over to your Coinbase account and check your Dogecoin balance to confirm the transfer has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Kucoin to Coinbase in 2025. Always stay cautious with your transactions to avoid any potential issues. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.